Hello, my name is Faiz Khairur. I am from class A and will be working on AIS by making videos about explain you how to use the comment heads. This comment is used for filling enclosed areas as solid fill or with pattern or gradient fill. To use this comment, we can click in the icon here. We select an enclosed area and click. So, as you see, fill this enclosed area with the color defined in my current layer. For the shape, we can use one of the pattern located in this panel there. The first one that says solid fills the enclosed area with the only one color, and the other have the pattern indicated on the image. Now I'm going to choose this one, but as you can see, look like nothing happened because I can see only one color there. This is because the scale of the pattern is too small, with the specimen as 1 mm as you can see in this section. Now I'm going to change it to, for example, 10. And you can see the difference there. Then you can press enter or escape to leave the comment. As you can see, the heads I have just created. I can click there and select it as it is considered an independent object. Now that you know the basic to use the comment heads must say something. It's recommended to create a separate layer to the heads comment. It is important because if we are working in a project with lots of heads objects, the computer might get a bit slow, especially when we are using patterns. If that happens, just freeze the heads layer and then the work speed should be fine. Okay, I'm going to insert a layer for heads, but I will use a special command for that, which is available after AutoCAD 2016. I will type Hey Player and press enter. Now I type a name for the special layer for the heads command. For example, just heads. Then if I activate the heads command, I can see the new layer appearing in the list. From now, as time I use the command heads, the object go automatically to that layer. Now imagine that I want to fill several areas, but I want them to act as a single object. Simple, I click in one area. Then I click in another just right away. And I keep clicking in the areas I want to fill. Now an important tips important to do this process with the solid pattern, because if I use one of the others, they are a bit heavier and the computer might get slow. Also sometimes for large and more complicated area, the fill may take few seconds to appear. Also, if you make a mistake in the filling, you can go back by pressing Ctrl plus Z, and then you can continue. When I finish, I press enter or escape. If I want a specific pattern, it's better to specify it in the end. If I want to change the color, I go to the layer hatch, and I'm going to switch it to green. Before finishing this tutorial, pay attention to this example. I finished early because it was already 5 minutes. Thank you.